This is first question from functions TS Eapcet 23 question. So here is given f of x is real valued function defined by f of x is equal to ax to the power of 10 plus bx power 8 plus cx power 6 plus dx power 4 plus ex square plus 12x plus 15 by x is and x not equal to 0, and f of minus 4 is given, that is f of minus 4 is equal to, this is f of 4, this is f of 4 plus 4 is given minus 4, f of plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Then find the value of f of minus 4. This is the question. Here f of x value is given, and given f of 4 is equal to minus 4. This is f of 4 is equal to minus 4. Substituting 4 on the given equation, that is ax to the power of 10. This is a into 4 power 10 plus b into 4 to the power of 8 plus c into 4 to the power of 6 plus d into 4 to the power of 4 plus e into 4 square 12 into 4 plus 15 by x value is 4. This is given, this is equal to minus 4. So cross multiplying this, this is a into 4 power 10 plus b into 4 power 8 plus c into 4 power 6 plus d into 4 power 4 plus e into 4 square. 12 fours are, that is 48, 48 plus 15, this is 63, is equal to 4 into minus 4, this is minus 16. From this, a into 4 power 10 plus b into 4 power 8 plus c into 4 power 6 plus d into 4 power 4 plus e into 4 square, that is equal to minus 16 minus 63, that is equal to minus 79. This is the value of that. Now we find f of minus 4, that is f of minus 4 is equal to this value a into minus 4 power 10 plus b into minus 4 power 8 plus c into minus 4 power 6 plus d into minus 4 power 4 plus e into minus 4 whole square plus 12 into minus 4 plus 15 by this value is minus 4, that is equal to a into minus 4 power 10, this is 4 power 10, b into minus 4 power 8, that is b into 4 power 8. So power is even number, so minus is positive, plus c into 4 power 6 plus d into 4 power 4 plus e into 4 square minus 12 in plus 12 into minus 4, this is minus 48 plus 15 by this value by minus 4. Already this value a into 4 power 10 plus up to e into 4 square, that value from this value from first equation, that is minus 79, that is f of minus 4 is equal to minus 79, this is minus 48 plus 15 by minus 4, that is equal to minus 79 minus 48, 8 9, this is 17, 7 8 12, minus 127 plus 15 by minus 4, that is equal to minus this is 112 by 4. This 4, 2 4s are 8, 32, 8 4s are 32, that is equal to, here is minus 4, minus minus cancelled, that is equal to 28. Therefore f of minus 4 is equal to 28. This is the required answer. This is second question, Eapcet 23TS from functions. Here is given f of x and g of x are two real valued functions such that f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x is equal to x square plus 2. Then g circle f of x plus f circle g of x is equal to dash. These are the options. Here we are finding g circle f of x plus f circle g of x. This is equal to g of f of x plus f of g of x, that is equal to g of f of x value, that is 3x minus 2, plus f of x, f of g of x value, that is x square plus 2. Now this is equal to g of, this is taken x, g of x is x square plus 2, that is 3x minus 2 whole square plus 2, plus f of x, that is 3 of x square plus 2 minus 2. So this is equal to 3x minus 2 whole square. This is 9x square minus 2 3 is 6. This is 12x plus 4. Here plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Plus this is 3x square plus 6. That is equal to 9 3. This is 12x square minus 12x plus 4 plus 6 is 10. Now this is written in the form of combination of f of x and g of x, that is 12x square. Take 12 common. This is written as x square plus 2. Here is 12 into 2, 24 added, subtracting minus 24. So and minus 12x plus 10, that is equal to 12 into this value x square plus 2. This is g of x. 12 into g of x and minus 12x. This is minus 24 plus 10. This is minus 14. That is equal to, this is 12 into g of x. Now this is converting into f of x. Here take minus 4 common. This is 3x. That is 4 into 3x, 12x. Here is minus 2. This is minus 4 into minus 2. Plus 8 is added. Subtracting minus 8 minus 14. That is equal to 12 into g of x minus 4 into that value f of x minus 8 minus 14, that is minus 22. This is the required answer. For this, second option is correct answer, that is 12 into g of x minus 4 into f of x minus 22. That is the answer. This is third question from Eapcet 23TS. Here is given NCR denotes the number of combinations of n distinct things are taken or at a time. Then the domain of the function g of x is equal to 16 minus x c 2x minus 1 is dash. This is the question. Here 16 minus x c 2x minus 1 is given. Now this is here 16 minus x. This value is n. This is always greater than 0. Greater than or equal to 0. And second value, this is 2x minus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus x. From this, 16 minus x which is greater than or equal to, this is 2x minus 1. These are the conditions. So from this 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, from this x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Here is 16 plus 1. This is 17 greater than or equal to 2x plus x is 3x. From this 3x less than or equal to 17. From x less than or equal to 17 by 3. That means nearly 5 3s are 15, 5. Here x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means that is 0.5. Above values is, that is x is equal to starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 3s are 15. This is the value. Therefore, domain of the given function domain is equal to, these are the values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the required answer. This is fourth question from Eapcet 23 TS. Here is given the range of the function defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3, x less than minus 1, 1 minus x square, minus 1 less than x less than or equal to minus 1, 3x square plus 2, x greater than 1. Now find the range of this function. First here is given, that is f of x is given x less than minus 1. X less than minus 1. So take this function f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 multiplying by 2, that is 2x less than minus 2. So add minus 3 on both sides, that is 2x minus 3 less than minus 2 minus 3. Here 2x minus 3 is f of x. This f of x is less than minus 5. This is the first condition. And second condition is given, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So this is 1 minus x square, that means squaring on both sides, that is all negative values are positive values. This is started from 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and multiplying by minus, that is minus 1 less than or equal to minus x square less than or equal to 0, and add 1, that is 1 minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus x square less than or equal to 1 plus 0. This is 0 less than or equal to 1 minus x square. This is the function f of x less than or equal to 1. This is the second condition. And the third condition, x greater than 1 is given. For x greater than 1, that is 3x square plus 2 function. So this is squaring on both sides, that is x square greater than 1 multiplying by 3, that is 3x square greater than 3. So add 2. 3x square plus 2 greater than 3 plus 2. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. This is 3x square plus 2 is f of x. f of x greater than 5. This is third condition. From these three conditions, that is first condition f of x less than minus 5 means this is minus infinity to minus 5 union. Second condition, that is 0 to 1. So here is 0. So less than or equal to there 0 to 1 closed brackets union x f of x greater than 5, that is 5 to infinity. This is the range of the given function. This is fifth question from functions Eapcet 23 TS. Here is given f maps 2 to infinity tends to r is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Then the range of f of x is dash. So here is the given function is f of x is given, that is f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Take differentiation on both sides, that is f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. This 2x minus 4, this f dash x value is greater than 0 in the domain 2 to infinity. Substituting 2, that is 2 into 2, 4 minus 4, greater than 0 always. So the f of x is increasing function. f of x is increasing. So now f of x is written as, that is f of x is equal to x square minus 4x is 2 into x into 2. This is in the form a square minus 2ab. Here b is 2 plus b square is, that is 4, add and subtracting 4 plus 5, that is equal to, this is x minus 2 whole square plus here minus 4 plus 5 is 1. This x minus 2 whole square, this is increasing function, so plus 1. So the range is equal to, substituting x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is 1 to infinity. This is the range of the given function. This is sixth question from Eapcet 23 AP. Here is given f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x for all x belongs to R. Then f of 2023 is equal to dash. Here f of x is equal to, this is cos square x plus sin power 4x. This is sin square x into sin square x by, in denominator this is sin square x plus cos power 4x. This is cos square x into cos square x, that is equal to cos square x plus sin square x into sin square x value. This is 1 minus cos square x by, in denominator this value sin square x plus cos square x into cos square x. This is 1 minus sin square x. So this is equal to cos square x plus multiplying by sin square x. This is sin square x minus sin square x into cos square x by, in denominator this is sin square x plus cos square x minus, this is sin square x into cos square x. Here numerator denominator both are same, these are cancelled, that is equal to 1. From this f of x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 2023. So this value is also 1. This is the required answer. See, seventh question from functions Eapcet 23 AP. Here is given f of x is equal to x cube minus x and g of x is equal to sin 2x. Then find f of g of pi by 2 is equal to dash. This is the question. First find g of pi by 2. Pi by 12, that is equal to, this is sin of 2 into pi by 12. Here 2 6 times cancel. This is sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. And find f of g of pi by 12. F of g of pi by 12 value is 1 by 2. Substituting x is equal to 1 by 2 in f of x, that is 1 by 2 whole cube minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Here take LCM, that is 8 LCM, 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 8. This is the answer. This is 8th question from functions AP Eapcet 23 question. Here is given f maps R to R is a function defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. If alpha is an element in the domain of f whose image is 1 by alpha, then sum of all possible values of alpha is dash. So this is a given function is f of x is equal to, this is 2x plus 1 by 3. In this given alpha is an element in the domain whose image is 1 by alpha, that is f of alpha is equal to 1 by alpha is given. So f of alpha, that is 2 alpha plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by alpha. So take cross multiplication. This is 2 alpha square plus alpha is equal to 3. This is 2 alpha square plus alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 3 2s are 6. This is 2 alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2 alpha take common, alpha minus 1 plus 3 common. This is alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. From this again alpha minus 1 common. This is 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this alpha is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. So then find the sum of all possible values of alpha. Sum is equal to, so that is 1 plus minus 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is the required answer. This is 9th question from functions AP Eapcet 23 question. The domain of the function y is equal to f of x, where x and y are related by 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2. This is the question. Here is domain of the function y is equal to fx. So given relation is, this is 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2. From this 2 power y is equal to, this is 2 minus 2 power x. 2 minus 2 power x. So y is equal to f of x is defined for, that is y is equal to f of x is defined. That means 2 power y is greater than 0. So this is 2 minus 2 power x greater than 0. This is 2 greater than 2 power x. So from this 2 power x less than 2 power 1. From this x less than 1. X less than 1 means domain of this is minus infinity to minus 1. This is domain is equal to minus infinity to 1. This is next question from functions Eapcet 23 question. Here is given A is the domain and B is the range of the function f of x is equal to 3x minus 1 where x greater than 1 and x square plus 1 x less than or equal to 1. Then A minus B is equal to dash. Here is A is given domain, so A is equal to domain. So given function is f of x is equal to 3x minus 1, here x greater than 1 and x less than or equal to 1. Clearly domain is R, that means x greater than 1 means 1 to infinity, here x less than or equal to 1 means minus infinity to 1. So domain is equal to total real number set R. And range, now we find B value. First condition is x greater than 1. So multiplying by 3 on both sides, 3x greater than 3. So subtracting minus 1, that is 3x minus 1 greater than 3 minus 1. Here 3x minus 1 is given, that is f of x greater than 2. And second condition is given, that is second condition is x less than or equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, that is x square less than or equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, that means 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So squaring only positive values we are taking. So from this add 1 on both sides, this is 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 less than or equal to this x square plus 1 is f of x, which is less than or equal to 2. So this is the second condition. These two equations, first condition is f of x greater than 2. Here f of x lies in between 1 and 2. That means clearly range is equal to B is equal to x greater than 2. That means, so here is 1 less than or equal to 2. That means range is equal to starts from 1 to infinity. Greater than 2 means 2 above values. This is the range. Range B is set B is equal to 1 to infinity. Now we are subtracting, that is find the value A minus B. A is real number system minus range is, this is 1 to infinity. So subtracting all positive values from this, from real number system, this is minus infinity to 1. This is the value of A minus B. This is 11th question from functions Eapcet 23 question. The range of the real valued function f of x is equal to root over 9 minus x square is dash. First find the domain of this function. That is domain A root value is, this is 9 minus x square, this value always greater than or equal to 0. From this x square minus 9 less than or equal to 0. This is x square minus 3 square less than or equal to 0. This is x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Therefore domain is, this is minus 3 comma 3 closed brackets. This is the domain. So domain, that means that x lies in between minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Now squaring on both sides, here all negative values is positive, that is starts from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. So multiplying by minus, this is minus 9 less than or equal to minus x square less than or equal to 0. So from this add 9 on both sides, this is 9 minus 9 which is less than or equal to 9 minus x square less than or equal to 9 minus 0. This is 0 less than or equal to 9 minus x square which is less than or equal to 9. Applying root for this, root 0, this is 0 less than or equal to, this is root over 9 minus x square less than or equal to, root 9 is 3. That means therefore range is equal to 0, 3. This is the range of the given function. This is next question from functions Eapcet 23. Here is given values f of 0 is 0 and f of 1 1, f of 2 2, and relation is f of x is equal to f of x minus 2 plus f of x minus 3 for x is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 dash dash. Now find the value of f of 10. Find this value. So here is given relation is f of x is equal to f of x minus 2 plus f of x minus 3. So x is equal to values, this is 3, 4, 5 up to dash dash. Now we find f of 10. Here is given values f of 0 and f of 1, f of 2. Now find f of 3 value. Substituting x is equal to 3 in this, f of 3 is equal to f of 3 minus 2, 1. F of 3 minus 3, 0. That is f of 1 is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now find f of 4. F of 4 is equal to, this is f of 4 minus 2, f of 2 plus f of 4 minus 3, 1. F of 2 value is 2, f of 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now find f of 5. F of 5 is equal to f of 5 minus 2. This is f of 3, f of 5 minus 3, f of 2. F of 3 value is 1 and f of 2 is 2. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now find x is equal to 6. F of 6 is equal to f of 4 plus f of 3. F of 4 value, that is 3. F of 3 value 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now find f of 6. F of 6, that is f of 7. Put x is equal to 7. This is f of 5 plus f of 4. F of 5 value is, this is 3. F of 4 value is 3. That is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now substituting x is equal to 8, that is f of 8 is equal to, this is f of 8 minus 2, f of 6 plus f of 5. F of 6 value, this is 4. F of 5 value, here is, that is 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now find f of 9, put x is equal to 9. This is f of 9 minus 2, f of 7 plus f of 9 minus 3, f of 6. F of 7 value is 6 plus f of 6 value is, this is 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now find f of 10. So f of 10 is equal to f of 10 minus 2, 8. F of 10 minus 3, 7. F of 8 value is 7. F of 7 value is 6. That is 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. This is the value of f of 10. That is f of 10 is equal to 13. That is the required answer. This is next question from functions. This question is from Eapcet 23 TS and same question as in Eapcet 23 AP. This is given. Here f maps R to R is defined by f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, and f of 1 is equal to 7 is given. Then sigma R is equal to 1 to n, f of R is equal to dash. This is the question. Here is given relation is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y, f of y. This is given. For this f of x is equal to kx. This is the formula. If this equation satisfied, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x is equal to kx. Now here is given f of 1 is given, that is f of 1 is equal to 7. Substituting on that equation, that is f of 1 is 7 is equal to, that is k into 1. From this k is equal to 7. This is the value of k. Now substituting in that is sigma, this is given sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r. Now find this value. Substituting 1, that is f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus up to dash dash, last term is f of n. F of 1 value, that is f of 1 is 7. F of 2, from this f of 2 is 2k, that is 7 into 2, plus f of 3, 3k, that is 7 into 3, plus up to dash dash f of n, that is 7 into n. 7 common in this all these, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to dash dash n, that is equal to 7 into, this is the formula, this is 7 into sigma n, that is we know that the formula sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. For this, third option is correct answer, that is 7n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the required answer. This is next question, Eapcet 23 TS question. Here is given the domain of the function f of x is equal to sin inverse of log of x square by 2 base 2 is dash. Now find the domain of this. So here is sin inverse of log of x square by 2 base 2 is exists. This sin inverse lies in between minus 1 and plus 1, that is minus 1 less than or equal to this value log of x square by 2 base 2. Base 2 less than or equal to 1. From this value is, this is cancellation logarithm, this is 2 to the 4 of minus 1, which is less than or equal to, this is x square by 2, which is less than or equal to 2 to the 4 of 1. 2 power minus 1 is, this value is 1 by 2. This value is equal to, this is 1 by 2, which is less than or equal to, from this x square by 2, which is less than or equal to, this is 2 into 2 is, this is 4. This is the value of 4. Now from this, so 1 less than or equal to, this is x square, this 2 power 1 is, this value is 2. Cancel 2 on this, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So from this x value is, that is 1 x square greater than or equal to 1, that means 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and next value is, this is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1. From this domain is, that is domain is equal to, this is minus 2 1 closed bracket union 1 2. This is the domain of the given function.